25 Ways to a Sustainably Developed India 100 Part 5.
वो कहते हैं ना, सुबह का नाश्ता जैसलमेर में करेंगे, दोपहर का खाना जोधपुर में करेंगे और रात का खाना दिल्ली में. Most of us remember this famous dialogue from J.P. Datta's Border by Sunny Deol. Now imagine if you get to enjoy different cuisines and different dishes and celebrate different cultures right from the comfort of your home. Yes, in India, we are known for our cosmopolitan communities, where in localities and societies, families from different cultures live together. They have the custom to share the food, their values, and celebrate festivals together as one close knit family. These cosmopolitan competencies, where neighbors share their lives with each other, contribute to a global perspective of sustainable development, giving rise to perspectives of global citizenship, world mindedness, and cross cultural empathy. Let me know in the comments below of your stories of sharing with your neighbors and follow us for more.